Let's talk about data engineering. What is it? How does it work? Why should you care? And how you can start learning it today. All of that and more in 2 minutes. Start the timer. Data engineering is all about making data usable. It's the behind-the-scenes work that powers analytics, machine learning, and business decisions. Think of data engineers as the builders of the modern data world. They build systems that move messy raw data into clean, usable formats. They design, build, and maintain scalable systems that collect, process, clean, and store massive volumes of data. We're talking terabytes, petabytes, or even exabytes, far beyond what traditional tools like Excel or even MySQL are designed to handle efficiently. A typical day for a data engineer involves setting up ETL pipelines, writing Python or SQL scripts, integrating APIs, managing cloud infrastructure like AWS or GCP, and working with and processing massive amounts of data using tools like Apache Spark, Airflow, or Kafka. But data engineering isn't just about tech, it's about teamwork. Data engineers work closely with data analysts and scientists, ensuring they have reliable data for dashboards, insights, or even machine learning models. And yes, it overlaps with other roles, but here's a quick breakdown. Data analysts use data to uncover insights about what's happening right now. Data scientists go deeper, using advanced math and models to predict what might happen next. Data solutions engineer, a rarer role, designs the entire data architecture to support business goals. And data engineers? Well, they're the ones making the whole system run. But why should you care? Because the demand is massive. There are currently over 6,000 data engineering jobs on Indeed in the US alone. Salaries start around $120K, with top earners pulling in $175K plus. And even better, the field is growing fast. The global data engineering market is expected to hit $190 billion by 2028, with double-digit growth every year. But it's not just about becoming a data engineer. These skills like building data pipelines, working with cloud infrastructure, and processing large data sets are essential for many roles today. Whether you're a back-end developer, a full-stack engineer, ML engineer, or a data scientist, understanding how to work with data at scale can give you a serious edge in your career. Looking to add these skills into your toolkit or launch a career in data engineering? Check out Zero to Mastery's Data Engineering Career Path. You'll build real-world projects, master industry tools, and go from beginner to job ready.